Avoid lippage by controlling substrate flatness, tile handling, layout, and using a consistent tile leveling technique from the first row to the last. Start by verifying the substrate across the entire floor for flatness using a straight edge at a distance equal to the longest tile dimension. For large format porcelain that is often 12 inches by 24 inches or larger, you want no more than 1/16 of an inch deviation every 8 feet, or follow the tile manufacturer's flatness tolerance, which may be stricter. Use a cementitious, self-leveling underlayment when deviations exceed that tolerance and allow full cure time before tiling. Mix thinset mortar to the manufacturer recommended consistency and use a suitable notched trowel sized for the tile thickness to achieve full coverage. Back butter large tiles when required for full bedding and to avoid voids. Place tiles using the flat and twist method, which means set the tile flat into the mortar and then apply a small twisting motion toward the grout joint to fully embed the tile without rocking it. Employ a tile leveling system such as clip and wedge or cap and screw types to hold tiles at equal height while the mortar cures, and remove or snap off the wedges per system instructions once firm. Use lash spacers where appropriate to maintain joint width and alignment. When planning your layout, keep end joints staggered, but limit the offset to no more than 1/3 of the tile length to minimize lippage accumulation across rows. Common mistakes begin with ignoring substrate flatness, which causes high and low spots that no leveling system can fully correct. Fix this by measuring, grinding high spots, and installing a self-leveling compound as needed. A second frequent error is inadequate mortar coverage, which creates voids and tipping. Prevent that with proper trowel size, back buttering, and pressing the tile using the flat and twist technique to reach the required percent coverage. Third is over-staggering joints, where installers offset tiles by half their length, which amplifies slight height differences into visible lippage. Plan layouts with no more than 1/3 offset and dry lay rows to confirm how the pattern will behave before permanently setting tiles. Our site bighomeprojects.com helps homeowners find local contractors for tile flooring projects, and contractors can find work by listing services and responding to homeowner inquiries. We also host a discussion community on the site where users and trade professionals exchange tips, ask project-specific questions, and share photos of installation details.